So what I'm going to try and do, this is really no way to reach that easily, and putting a universal joint in there seems like fraught with peril. So what I'm going to try and do is try and unbolt this guy here so that it'll move up a little bit so that I can have a space, a straight shot at that bolt. So let's see how that goes. So I have to remove some things here. So this is not the procedure called for, but one must improvise. So I'm going to remove these hose clamps here. So let's see here. Actually, there's a connector here first. I'll remove that. Okay, so this is some kind of, I don't know what this is. Waterproof? No, it's not a waterproof. So it seems to be on one of those grommet mount things. I wonder if it just pulls out. Yeah, it is. Let's see if it does appear to come out. Yeah, there you go. And so, actually, it's not bolted there. It's bolted somewhere else. Interesting. So this is out of the way here. There are no bolts here. So this is really held tight by something else. Can't figure out what. Ah, here. There's a bolt here. There's one solitary bolt here, which appears to hold it there. Make sure. Actually, no. That bolt is not holding this pipe at all. Oh, I see. Yeah, there's nothing holding it here. So I don't know, they casually mention that it's like work loose here. Nope. That budget's not. So, I'm missing something here. How is it held? This appears to be no give in the vertical direction at all. Or very little anyway. But it isn't held here by anything. Just sitting there. There's another pipe under it which is held there, but not this pipe. So it appears to be just bolted on the front, which makes this particular bolt almost inaccessible. Wonder if I can just use an Allen key for this guy. No, this is too big. Small one. So we're going to see here. It's the right size, I believe. Yeah. The question is whether I have enough space here to remove this bolt. This is going to flex more than that. How about here? Okay, maybe tap it in place first. Oh. I have to unscrew it this way so this won't work. maybe, just maybe. Come on. Pipe to help things along. This is rapidly getting kind of odd. What kind of pipe do I have? Small tubular